hello, okay. Okay, it's ready. This is Yeondu, okay. I'm introducing him today. I'm going to cook Galbi Jjim with Yeondu. Galbi Jjim is a special dish here in Korea, and it is being prepared during special occasions like Chuseok. Okay, especially Chuseok. Okay, see you there in the kitchen later. Bye. Bye, Yeondu. Yeondu, you say bye to them. Annong, annong. No, don't bite my hand. This is the radish. That is the pear, and this is the onion. Ay, nag-iba na yung color ng pear. Then you have to mix it. Put the garlic. This is the garlic, and then this is the ginger. Put them together, and then this is the soy sauce. Okay, put it there and then mix. These are all the ingredients, and of course the black pepper. Okay, just a little bit of it. Not too much. Okay. All right. Just calculate it. The sauce is ready. We are going to put this one aside in the refrigerator to be used later.
I've been thinking about you.
I-prepare na natin yung mga ibang kailangan. This is the onion. This is the carrots. This is the radish. And this is the leek, cut leek. The leek. Wok is here. Wash it first. Then we're going to put the. We're going to wash first. There is still some blood. Pour some water, enough to cover the meat. Let's put all the ingredients and boil it for 5 minutes. I forgot to put some pepper, so here I put the pepper. Let's wait for it to boil. After 5 minutes boiling, let's off the fire. Separate the ribs from the broth. Now this is the meat and this is the broth. Don't throw away this broth because we are going to use this later. The next step is we're going to put back the meat or the beans here into the wok. And then we're going to put the sauce that we made earlier here. So now we're going to pour the sauce here. Let's mix it well. Now it's time to cook it. When it's boiling, it's now time for us to add the broth to the ribs. Hindi natin ilagay lahat para meron tayong gagamitin mamaya baka matuyo siya. Now, ilagay na natin ang chestnut, tapos carrot, and then the shiitakes, tapos ang radish. Tapos, ilagay natin ang onions. Lutuin natin hanggang lumambot ang karne. At kung halimbawa maubos ang sabaw, lagyan natin ulit. Let's cook it in low fire until the meat is tender. Now it's almost done. Our kalbi is already done and I'm going to transfer it to the pot in order to look presentable. Now I moved already here in the pot. Okay. And it will be ready for tomorrow. This is what we call kalbi in Korean. Masarap siya talaga.